Welcome to KiCad Like Pro. This course will help you learn how to design printed circuit boards using KiCad. My name is Peter. I'm an electrical engineer with a 20-year career in higher and online education. KiCad is the world's most popular open source PCB tool for engineers and hobbyists alike. KiCad is supported by a dedicated team of developers and a strong and growing community of users and contributors. This is the 4th edition of the course. I recorded the first edition on KiCad version 4 and continue to keep it up to date as the KiCad project evolved. KiCad Like Pro 4th edition is an updated version of the 3rd edition of the course that covers the new features of KiCad 8. KiCad 8 was published in early 2024. This course will teach you the KiCad PCB design tool so that you can use it in your commercial or hobby projects. It takes a practical approach to learning that combines how-to content with complete start-to-finish PCB projects. If you are new to PCB design, this comprehensive course will help you get started from the ground level. If you are an experienced PCB designer, then this course will help you transition to KiCad from another tool. Please read the course description and watch the free lectures in the first section to get more information about this course. I look forward to learning with you.